Okay, Sunday, August 2nd. I'm back out here working on the infamous boat trailer again. Here's my assistant just under the boat trying to stay in the shade. So just to recap, when we bought this thing, previous owner had taken the surge brakes off for some reason, some unknown reason. And he'd cut the lines off going to the front. So I ran a new line from the front through the frame tube and to the back there. So now the existing brake lines at the back were still on it. So I thought, oh, okay, well, that'll save me a bit of work. But of course I was wrong. So I had it all hooked up and I could not get these brakes to bleed for nothing. So I thought to myself, well, it's not that complicated of a system. What could be wrong? And then it dawned on me, I better check those old brake lines. Sure enough, plug's solid. So I had to redo all the brake lines now. So it has all new brake lines. So these are what's called surge brakes. So there's like a piston inside here. This hitch is free floating, so when you slow the truck down, the trailer, the momentum of the trailer pushes it ahead and operates a piston inside here. I'm looking for fluid, good, which pressurizes your brakes. So, it's just slightly dragging on the brakes now, which is good. I think it's good anyways. Step back over again. So now the trick with these things is how do you test them? Well, here's how I test them. So I get my trusty Porta-Power out. It's a little hydraulic ram. And if you look, that is going in. And the system's pressurized now. And I was having a little bit of a leak up here right off the master cylinder. I think I got it, but check that one more time. Anyways. So we come back here, and our brakes are applied. Yep. Oh, as our cat came home finally. Hey Ryan, grab the cat. It's heading your way. So now, pull that guy back. And brakes are disengaged. Yeah, I think I mentioned I have to turn both drums on this thing too, but anyways, I think we got it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I bought a set of muffs and I'm going to run some water through the leg. And the muffs go right over there. And start this old beast up. Stay tuned. Okay, we got the old girl fired up here. The Mighty Ford 302. Actually, at some point in the game, somebody put a Holly double pumper on there. It used to come stock with a 2-barrel, so this might actually have 200 horsepower. Okay, just gonna let it run for a bit here and look for leaks. Alrighty, Bernie and I are just testing out the downriggers. There's our cannonball, 10-pound cannonball. Takes us down to the depth we want. And the thing about these Scotties, they're electric return. That saves a lot of work cranking those leads up and down all day. So those work good. Just going to put the wheels back on now. And we might actually go fishing tomorrow. We'll see.